step is to install the artificial grass after the frame is installed. And then you need to use the glue to fix the artificial grass on the ground. And then the next step is to install the bowl. For the preparation for the equipment installation, we need to set the lines for the fast installation because the sensors are based on the lines. So the first one here is the blue one, and is this line. This line for the blue line is for the low meters wall. This line. You need to make it at around 950 millimeters, and then to set these lines for the whole area from here to here. And then the second line is this one. It's for the sensor camera line. Here at the middle, also at the middle of the area, based on this size. And then the third line is this yellow one. Also need to set based on this size. After this 3 line set, we can begin the installation. After setting the area and then install the goalkeeper, and then it divides into 2 parts. This part is control for the left sensor for sensor the ball, and the second part is the right side also have the sensors, and then each of the power is separate. So to install the sensor is this one. It's this yellow one, and then use the screws to install. One is up, one is down, and then 2 sides are same. After fix the sensor, the lines need to charge into the control box. It's like this shape.
这边是固定好的，这个是固定好的，但是要他自己装。
And we send the whole port of the whole settings of the right side and the left side. All you do is need to charge the right wires for the sensors. And then the fourth step is the install the safety direction camera. It's like on the top. It needs to be at the center, like your area is 4 meters, so you need to install at around 2 meters at the middle, and also at the middle of the second line, on the middle of the bowl, and at the thing is okay. So the safety direction camera is the round one, and it will with the case. We have sent 2 of them. Each one need to install 3 meters on the ground, and then one on the left side and one on the right side. But here we don't have because for some connection issue. And then the wires come from the sensors and then go on the ground back to the control box. Same control box with the go sensor, and then you need to put these 2 wires into the box, and this connects to the power, and another hand is connected to the computer. Need to connect to the host computer. 下一个。Just the last video what I said is for the go direction and is this yellow. This yellow one I just mentioned. And then after all the wires are set up and installation finished, normally the game would be, when you open the computer, it will automatically open the game, and then it will show up this display. And then this is for the sensor adjustment. This for this sensor for recognize the four area. So if your sensor is like installed a little bit out of the center, it can be adjust the recognized area by the screen, by this setting, and then it will larger your recognized area to make it correct. Here is the workspace for the all-in-one computer. Here's the black work on, just make it into the correct heat, and then fix it by this small black tools, and then fix it, and then the computer hand on the work, and then it will be fixed on it. So for the goalkeeper, there are two wires that need to connect with this all-in-one computer. One is with the USB extenders, is for control the host computer, and another one is the most thick one, is the HDMI wires for the screen's display. And then others are the power wire and the sound wire. And this is the goalkeeper. The hardware to install it is these two pillars. To install it by the screws. It's by the screws. And then install four of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then install 电机是吗？然后呢 install the motor. Install the motor. 这。Also by the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also 4. 这里是对接。
那它是锁电机的吗？锁这个是装好的，这个不管装好的。
And then just put the sponge, put the goalkeeper on these two tubes. And then covered by the iron board and by screws. And the motor have to charge. These two need to charge on the control board. 1, 2, and this 1, 2 need to this way charge need to on the control board. And then this is another control board. And then this need to connect with the host computer. With the host computer, this one. And also this camera has the recognition area of the middle. Is to recognize the ball track. not here. It needs to be at the middle of the area. It will have a recognized area for the ball. And once the ball going through it, it will show the speed. It will show the speed and it has the blue wing. It means that the ball is sensor right now, and it means it works.